This is me waking up in the morning. This is me just waking up, like getting ready to go for the final shopping and all that. Yeah. So guys, this is me waking up in the morning. This is me just waking up, like getting ready to go for the final shopping and all that. Guys, I'm tired. Like, I am tired. I cannot just wait to just sleep. Okay, let's get real. Okay, I cannot wait to just relax and just know that I'm done. It's not even I'm going to save, I'm even going to go and relax. Oh my god. But it's all good. Good morning. Yeah. Oh my god. This is heavy. So guys, you can see the end result of my packing. You can see the end result of my packing. So this is how it looks like, okay? This is how it looks like, guys. Yeah.
I'm on my way to the airport, and thank God the road is clear. The road is clear, thank God, because I was afraid that we're going to have little traffic, like we're going to have more traffic jams. That's really well. So thank God it has listened. So you asked me, well, I have to. So yeah, my bag's already packed. Seen the so for those of you that may be saying, Lisa, you said you're leaving it to I was just joking, guys. So yeah. Okay. So I'll just show you the road. Just little vlog. Maybe a 10 minutes vlog or whatever, but you know, it's not going to be that. I'm just going to show you my experience as the road when I reach Kano, when places I'm going to pass. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so let's go. Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
My mommy is leaving. Oh, there's no need. When you start the whole one, kind of this night. Oh, YouTube channel, voila.
After all these things, if you see that try, I'll slap you very
So hey guys, well, there's no need to talk too much. Actually waiting to board. So yeah, I have to close this for something else. So the video myself now. I'm a YouTuber. Hey, let me take small. Say hi, Deborah. Her mouth is full. So, baby girl. As in there, we've been outside since. Like, before Uncle, you go see yourself. Now, I'm
Latifa. I'm Halima. I'm Debbie.
And that is teenage there.
The only man in the Philippines. Blessed among children. Our ring leader.
Oh my God. See the story that we have to. The story. Can you not make I just reduce my voice? Can you not try?
We have to get time one day.
Which one day? We have to go today. Anyway, let me just do 360. Like, hey, see Kano, Jesus Christ. Okay. See you. Nakano be there. I wanted to show you guys what is inside my box.